start of our journey. We've got one of these in the garage in bits, and I've just collected the donor. Okay, this is the start of the next phase of my ongoing project. What you see in the background is what was a fully functioning RG500. I took it to get it all done up, and it came back like this. The engine there is all wrapped, ready to go. That's been actually tuned and rebuilt by Mark Dent. But the rest of it, there's some GSXR 1100 forks. I've got some spare forks somewhere along with this, which looks on the surface like a beautiful RG500. Really nice. It's got the Brembo brakes. It's got a GSXR 400 front end. Looking good. I bought it, and it's got this special little clock. Apparently that's not a very expensive version, but I bought it. It was running okay. I've got it home, and it's not the it needs a good blowout. I think it's not going to tick over very well, but that's the least of my worries, because that engine there does tick over. So I'll keep you posted on the next phase of what I'm going to do with it.